Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to make weather station with DHT sensor and Telegram board, where you can get update by Telegram app about temperature and humidity. Let us get started. This is schematic diagram. I am using here DHT11 sensor to read temperature and humidity of environment. First pin is signal pin. So I connected on D4 number pin, and middle pin is VCC, which is connected on 3.3 volt, and third pin is ground, which is connected up ground of node MCU board. Now we will see how to create Telegram board. So we will create Telegram board and then we will make Arduino program. So first of all I will open Telegram application. I am using desktop. You can use mobile phone also. So I will search here board father. This is original. You can see here board is capital letter and F is capital letter. Okay, so I will click here and I will restart. You can see here is some command. Here is new board command for create new board. So I will use, because I am going to create new board. So slash new board. Okay, I will choose name. So I will keep DHT11 bot. Okay, good. Let us choose a username for your bot. It must end with bot. Again DHT11 bot. Sorry, username is already taken. So I will try another DHT IoT. Okay, once I will try. Oh, DHT underscore IoT. WEATHER underscore DHT11. DHT11 underscore IoT bot. Okay, so this is my token number and this is account DHT bot 11. So I will start here, but we need this token number. I will copy and I will go to Arduino programming. Here I have already created program. You can see I am using ctboard.h library and DHT library. Here DHT pin is connected on D4 number. This is DHT type. This is DHT object where I used DHT pin and DHT type. This is city board object. Here I have to type SSID of my network. So it's Prio and password is okay. I will paste here token number. So you can see H variable store humidity data and T store temperature data and F store temperature in Fahrenheit. Okay, this is string, humidity string. It will store these things and temperature will store this thing. Here is if statement, my board dot get new message. If my board got new message means if I send to message to my board like dht underscore iot, if I will send message there, so it will respond. Okay, if I will send here humidity, then it will respond humid. Humid is like humidity is like this, so it will return humidity of sensor. Okay, if I will send temperature, then it will return temperature of sensor. So first we need to install some library, so we will go to sketch and include library, manage libraries. I will search here Arduino JSON. Okay, you can see Arduino JSON is already installed. If you have not installed this library, so you should install. Okay, I will not install because I have already installed. And another I will install city board. Okay, so I will install this library. Library has been installed. I will close and I will upload the code. Okay, so we have to select here board. Node MCU 1.0 and comport 5 is okay. Now I will again upload the code. What's happened? Okay, again upload the code. Okay, uploading done successfully. So now I will open Telegram app. I will go to the HT11 bot. I will send command humidity. Wow, you can see here it replied humidity 95% and I will send temperature. Wow, temperature is 30.8 degrees centigrade and in Fahrenheit it's 87.44 degree Fahrenheit. I hope you enjoyed this video and I request you, if you really like my video, so you can support me on PayPal. My PayPal account has given in description box. Every project file you can download from description box. I have already provided their link. Thanks for watching.